Chains on the mind, the key in my hand. Dodging the pressure, I'm the man with the plan. They tell me what to be, but I'm carving my lane. Freedom ain't a gift, it's a beast you must tame. No puppet strings, no marionette. Every step I take, no regrets to forget. Choices stack like bricks, I'm building my throne. Life's a buffet, I pick my plate on my own. Freedom of choice, hear the voice that's calling. Stand up tall, no more crawling. Decisions mine, ain't nobody deciding. Path so wide, I'm the one guiding. They say fall in line, but I walk off the grid. Laws of the jungle, but I'm flipping the script. A bird in the cage, but I broke out the bars. Now I soar higher than a rocket to Mars. Crossroads everywhere, which way to steer? Life ain't a game, but the rules ain't clear. I'm painting my canvas, a stencil to trace. Freedom the anthem, setting the pace. Shadows whisper doubt, but I silence the noise. World's a circus act, I'm not one of their toys. Mirror my guide, my reflection the proof. Freedom ain't a myth, it's the ultimate truth.